Hey friends, welcome to Pueblo, Colorado. This is our home river break surf spot for river surfing. And we're gonna go out today, we're gonna take you along, which means there's a couple of pieces of gear that we definitely wanna show you that we use every single time we surf. First is gonna be the Ho Stevie 3.2 millimeter wetsuit. This is a full suit because even though it's 100 degrees outside, the water in the Arkansas River here in Colorado is actually fairly cold. So having a 3.2 mil suit feels really good for the long hour-plus sessions that we spend in the water. So this is a chest zip wetsuit. It's a really nice entry, really nice system to just zip over the front of your chest instead of having to reach behind your back and zip up with a pull string. And then it has this really great barrier inside of the wetsuit to add an extra layer of warmth against your chest and back area. So let's go ahead and throw it on. We'll get down in the water. Okay, so when you're changing in your wetsuit, you're gonna need a couple of quick things. First is this towel poncho that you throw over and allows you to change into your wetsuit without having to expose yourself. Many of you guys may be used to the towel change method. I have almost lost a towel so many times in front of people, it's embarrassing. Okay, as you can see, I got my wetsuit on, no problem. Again, this poncho is super nice. I'm 6 foot, and as you can see, it covers nearly down to my ankles. So it's kind of a one size fits all. It's gonna work really, really great for even large surfers to change with. So the other thing you're gonna need is the Ho Stevie changing mat. And as you can see, this protects your wetsuit from getting into the dirt, the sand, any other material that's gonna mess up your gear. This is really, really helpful when you're changing out of it. So you can just slap your wetsuit, your booties into this, string it up, throw it in the back of your truck. You're good to go. It doesn't get all wet. All right, we're down here at the wave. You can see all the surfers lined up in the background. We've got the Ho Stevie 3.2 mil wetsuit on. It feels incredible. We've already jumped in the water because it's so hot out. So we need to put on our safety gear. Obviously, we've got a helmet. We're gonna throw on a vest, again, for protection. And again, we wanna come out here and have a good time. A couple features I really love about this wetsuit. It's got this little button right here over the chest zip. And this allows, again, that chest zip to be zipped up. It doesn't come undone, especially while you're prone on a surfboard. The other thing it has on both the cuffs and the bottoms of the legs are these little grip slips right here, you can see. And that just attaches to your skin. You really don't feel them at all, but it keeps things in place. Another, again, small feature that makes this wetsuit really, really great. And it feels amazing. Honestly, so flexible. I'm moving so freely. Not exaggerating when I say this is probably the most comfortable wetsuit I've ever worn.